no stain. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kesena here and I'm back with another video. In case you are new to my channel, my name is Kesena, why did I drag it? My name is Kesena and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber, and my content is solely based on beauty, lifestyle, DIYs. Those are my content. So in case you're interested in those three categories I mentioned, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a video related to those contents. I also play with challenges here and there. I also help and teach. So yeah, basically we're going to be very universal on this channel. So yeah, that is it. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying Jackie Aina's smudge proof makeup for mask. It's a makeup that you put on and it won't stain your mask. So I didn't have a white mask, so I used my white cloth and I tested it already, as you guys saw in my intro, and there was no stain. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved it. I'm going to be following step by step from Jackie Aina. I'm going to also link the video to Jackie Aina's video in the description box so you guys can go and watch it by yourself and still also see. So yeah guys, let's get into the video and let's get this started. I've already done my brows, so let's start. Okay, so she's starting with primer. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. I'm using my Technique. You guys have always seen this product anytime I'm using my makeup shop. It's a smoothing primer by Technique. So I'm just going to rub this all over my face. But I just want to see if this will actually work. So I'm showing you guys if it actually. So she's first of all contouring, so that is what I am. Okay, so yeah, I'm supposed to set my face with my translucent setting my primer, especially in those zones I know I sweat more. You guys forgive me for no sniffing and all. I really have cold, but you know the show must go on. Should I start from now? Let me know who starts. So yeah, okay. This thing is that cold, Jesus. So I'm just blending in my AOA contour stick. I got this from Beauty Connoisseur. The link to her Instagram account is in my video where I did my 12 inches review, 12 inches ring light review, and I got this from her. It was around 1.5 in Naira. So yeah. You guys, they've taken the light. Oh my god. But you know what, the show must go on, so we continue. I actually don't have dark circles, so I'm just going to fast forward this part. Okay, so now she's going in with her concealer. So I'm just blending this up. So I'm still putting the same concealer in my forehead. Does this look blended? Because this concealer dries quickly, I am doing this in bits. I'm putting my concealer in bits because this concealer dries real quickly and I want this thing to blend. So she's using the 9 Final Seal. It's a fixing spray, so I think I already have Kiss Beauty Prime and Fine Rose Glow fixing spray, so I'm going to use this one. for it. I'm using my classic HD foundation with my Milani total coverage foundation in its tube. After putting your foundation on your brush, you're going to start. I need to spray my brush. Yeah, spray my brush with my setting. Jesus, maybe I should have allowed it to dry. Oh my god, I feel this is too much. I hope this thing actually comes out. Like, I'm actually very scared, but from what I'm seeing, it's not looking that bad. Okay, it doesn't look bad actually. Don't forget your neck. You don't want your face to be Coke and Fanta. During my 10-minute challenge, I found out a faster way to be applying foundation with my brush. Usually I'll do it this way, but now that the way I'm seeing her applying this, she's like past. Is that the word? It's like pat. Just like that. Just tap it in. Tap in. Just tap it in like that. Okay, so she did a final spray all over. Then she's going to use her sponge to like push it in. So that's exactly what I am going to do. So I'm pushing this in. Then the next thing she's going to do is translucent powder. But I actually love the way my nose is looking all snatched and all, yeah. Okay, so all this is sealed. Rain, like she said, that when you are setting your face with your translucent powder, you have to make sure you pay more attention to the part where the mask is going to cover, and that is from this area down. It's going to be covered, so you need to set that properly. So she's literally setting her whole face, so I'm doing it. Setting my whole face. Okay. So she went ahead to bake under her eyes, and that is what I'm doing right now. I'm still using the same airspun translucent powder to bake under my eyes, and I'm just going to leave that there. Also on the bridge of my nose, I'm going to leave that there until I'm done with my eyeshadow. For it to bake, right? Okay, so she's applying her eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using my Avon eyeshadow primer. So from here on, I just followed what she did on her eyeshadows. She used her eyeshadow base primer. She blended it with some similar shades that I have. So she started with something brown, a brown color or a brown shade. Then she applied it to her crease, the beginning of her crease, and yeah. So basically that was all she did. So that the part where I'm doing the eyeshadow, I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to, you guys are just going to see it while I play some music in the background, okay? So yeah, my battery died, and I've been talking throughout, like that part that was not recorded when my battery died. I was just talking, doing everything Jackie was doing, and at the end of the day, it was not recorded, which is so painful, by the way. But basically, what I did that was not recorded was I used my setting spray, which is from Kiss Beauty. I used it to set my face afterward. Then I still pushed it in with my beauty blender. Then I also used a matte lipstick. The key to having a matte finish, or the key to making sure your makeup does not stain your mask, is to make sure everything in your face is going to be proof, like it's going to be matte proof. So the white t-shirt without me putting on my face, so I'm going to put it on my face now. I'm going to put it on the pad where my mask is going to be. So and I'm gonna be talking, like I'm gonna be talking. Hey, hello, what's up? How you doing? Tell me you're not seeing anything, because me, I am not. Blank. So this method, it didn't work? I can say yes, it worked, because no residue on my white t-shirt, and that is something. Jackie, thank you so much for that tip. I'm going to be trying that anytime I'm wearing a face mask, if I'm not wearing a face. That is the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comment section below. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and watching my video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I do really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Guys, bye.